Welcome back to Instables, everyone. I'm going to go over and update you guys on HUSA. We mentioned this one in pre-market in the Instables room. Again, if you happen to be looking for intraday perspective breakouts, meaning breakouts within the same day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the 5-minute with you guys here on HUSA, again, we mentioned them in pre-market on a major volume spike in the Instables room. And as you guys can see, we did continue on up. We've jumped up over 400% since we did mention them in pre-market at about $3, jumping up over $12 on the day. And as you guys can see, we still had our 20-day moving average over our 50 throughout the whole day. And if we were looking for a continuation, we would have been watching if we were respecting our 20-day moving average with our 20 still over our 50. Now, as you guys can see in pre-market, again, we did mention our major volume spike, and we were looking to see if we can continue on with continuation volume, and sure enough, getting that continuation volume here, giving us this major spike, and we were looking to see if we can continue. Again, we did have our 20 still over our 50, and sure enough, giving us that continuation. As you guys can see, we continue to increase in buy pressure here on the MACD. As we were respecting our 20-day moving average, we were getting that increase in buy pressure, getting our EMA lines to cross back over. We still had our EMA lines over our MACD, showing us that we still could continue. And as you guys can see, sure enough, getting that continuation. And now we did have white shaded lines coming in, and we did mention higher risk at this point in time. Again, this was another spike that we had, but again, higher risk as we had a major pullback right after that. We got wicked to the upside, and the reason why, as you guys can see, again, we did have these white shaded lines. We got a decrease in buy pressure as we did have our white shaded line coming in after we just had a spike and showing us that we were going to continue on down from here. So again, that was higher risk at that point in time. And we were looking to see if we can continue here. And as you guys can see, even though we did come down, we did have a pullback. We did continue to respect our 20-day moving average, jumping up over $12 on the day, over 400% from pre-market. So again, even though the market is very choppy, we will continue to stay strong and look for these intraday perspective breakouts that we have been in the Instables room. But again, just letting the market play out how it's going to and making sure we do stay focused on our intraday perspective breakouts as we have been in the Instables room is what we will continue to do. Now, again, with that said, another market has been very choppy and will possibly continue to be choppy. If we do continue on down in the market, we will have more intraday perspective breakouts than we will have swings or longs to be playing into. So if you're looking for these major breakouts within the same day, go to instables.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, all of you Instables that have been coming over from the room and supporting the channel, we will continue to stay strong, continue to stay patient, and letting the plays come to us as always. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help others find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.